Recently, Unitree sold thousands of their G1 humanoid robots and is now launching the R1 models under $5,000 in 2027. It sounds futuristic and extremely promising, but take a look at what the Unitree G1 robots are actually doing inside your home. They try to navigate on their own, but instead they keep crashing into mirrors and collapsing amidst the shards. There's no denying that whether it's a spring-loaded bug or a digital AI existentialist, the end result is still robotic comedy, as it can't even recognize its own reflection. Meanwhile, check out the Tesla bot dancing alongside Elon Musk at the 2025 shareholders meeting, moving with astonishingly smooth professional precision. Some even joked that Elon Musk himself seemed to copy the bot moves. Although this is only the experimental 2.5 version, its ability to learn from video allows it to observe and mimic human actions incredibly naturally without mistakes. Elon Musk confirmed that the retail version will launch in the first quarter 2026 with the latest Tesla bot Gen 3 design with the world's most advanced AI brain. It will be capable of self-learning and expanding its task capacity, not limited to 3,000 tasks for Gen 3 and potentially doubling to 6,500 tasks in the Gen 4 and 5 versions. If Optimus can watch videos, YouTube videos or how-to videos or whatever, and based on that video, just like a human can learn how to do that thing, then you really have a task extensibility that is dramatic, because then it can learn anything very quickly. So, I think we'll get there in the next. So, how much will the retail Gen 3 version cost? Can it stay at home to cook, wash dishes, or clean the house while you're at work? You might not believe it, but a robot that can learn on its own, even just by watching videos, can cook any dish, clean the house, fix plumbing, and even be funny enough to dance like a professional dancer. With its highly advanced AI brain, it can fully learn a new skill in just a few minutes, while it would take humans weeks or even months. Sounds a bit scary, right? But even crazier, at the 2025 Tesla annual shareholders meeting, Elon Musk announced that the Tesla bot will help end hunger and could even completely replace surgeons in the near future. Optimus will actually eliminate poverty. Optimus will actually give people incredible medical care. Musk's ambitions go even further. He has outlined Tesla's most audacious production goal yet. Optimus Gen 4 is planned for release in 2027, and Gen 5 is expected in 2028 with a manufacturing line capable of producing 1 million robots annually in Fremont, scaling up to 10 million, then 100 million, and ultimately potentially even on Mars 1 billion robots per year. It may sound far-fetched, but Musk is serious, emphasizing that this is not just a pipe dream. Tesla is preparing for the fastest production ramp of any large, complex manufactured product in history. Recently, Tesla released a series of new demo videos showing Optimus performing a wide range of tasks impressively, further reinforcing its potential as an excellent household assistant, an autonomous worker, and a professional-level doctor. This has sparked great excitement and anticipation for its official launch. According to Tesla engineers, using only a single neural network, Optimus has demonstrated performing household chores such as sweeping, cooking, using a microwave, vacuuming, and picking up trash. It has also shown the ability to sort parts in factories, on automotive accessory production lines, and in Tesla's battery manufacturing facilities. What's truly impressive, and what most people probably missed in the videos, is that Optimus can now operate independently with both hands instead of just one as before. This means each hand can simultaneously handle two completely different tasks without being limited to pre-programmed motions. For example, it could stir soup in a pot with one hand while washing vegetables in the sink with the other. This is a major step forward, showing that it can handle coordinated movements and more complex motor control, even though its hands currently don't have 22 degrees of freedom. According to Elon Musk, the Gen 3 hands, which will be released early next year, will finally come equipped with these magical hands. Using both hands requires a significantly higher level of coordination compared to using just one. Previously, Optimus mainly relied on a single hand to perform simple tasks such as picking up objects or sorting components. Now, it can process and respond to signals from both hands simultaneously, much like how humans naturally coordinate their left and right hands. This means the AI software has to calculate and optimize the movements of both hands in real time, avoiding collisions, maintaining balance, and ensuring smooth operation. So just imagine what it could do with fully articulated 22-degree of freedom hands. The next demo videos are going to be incredibly exciting. One of the biggest breakthroughs shown in Tesla's recent update video is how Optimus learns new tasks. Instead of relying on traditional methods like motion capture, where humans wear sensors to demonstrate every movement, or using remote control, where someone operates the robot from a distance, Tesla has taken a much smarter approach. They simply let Optimus watch videos of humans performing tasks, and it figures out how to do them on its own. It's like going on YouTube to learn how to fix a leaking pipe or make a pizza. With Optimus, it all starts with simple tasks like taking out the trash, pulling curtains, stirring a pot, or using a vacuum. Like humans, Optimus can fully learn new skills, actions, and tasks as long as it's shown how to do them. Amazing, right? For example, if you want Optimus to learn how to cook a steak, Tesla will provide it with a video of a chef preparing the dish. Then, in a simulated environment, Optimus will practice cooking that steak billions of times, experimenting with different ways of cutting, seasoning, and cooking. Each time it makes a mistake, the AI adjusts and improves. Once it reaches an almost perfect success rate, say 99%, Optimus is ready to perform the task in real life. This type of training allows it to learn much faster than traditional methods. Now, if you prefer hands-on learning, you can actually teach Optimus directly, especially if you own one. Beyond just providing videos, you can guide it to perform tasks in real time. As mentioned earlier, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to debut in the first quarter of next year. Unlike a typical robot, it is designed to look more like a human wearing a robot suit. And Elon Musk emphasizes that you really have to poke it to believe it's a robot. This indicates an extremely high level